Sheikh Gulam Nasir, EC C section. My topic is the Bergius process. The Bergius process is method of the production of liquid and the hydrocarbon for uses and the synthetic and the fuel of the hydrogen of high voltage and the bitterness coal at high temperature and pressure. It was first developed by the Friedrich Bergers in 1913. In 1931, the Bergius was awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for his development high pressure chemistry. French Bergius. The coal is finally ground and directed in a stream of hot gas. The dry product is mixed with heavy oil and recalled from the process of a and the castic is a number of years and including the tungsten on the molybdenum and the sulfide and the tin or the nickel OLED and another alternating iron sulfides and the presence in the coal may have the sufficient calcitic activity for the process which was the original Bergius process. The mixture is pumped in a reactor. The reaction occurs at 400 and 500 Celsius and 20 to the 70 MPa hydrogen pressure. The reaction produces heavy oils, middle oils, gas oil, and gases. The overall reaction can be summarized as follows: Nc plus n minus x plus 1 H2 gives rise Cn H2 n minus 2 x plus 2, where x is equals to degree of the unstration, the immediate of the product from the reactor. History: the French Bergius developed the process and during his habilitation, a technique for the high pressure and high temperature chemistry of a carbon containing substance of held in a patent in 1913. In this process and its fuels are the produced by the in the hydrogen of the allegation and the burn coil. He developed the process well before the commonly known the Fringer and the Tropez in the process skull, and it is an goldsmith and invited him to build an industrial plant at his factory. The goldsmith AG, now known as Avernoic Industries, in 1914. The production began only in 1919 after the World War I ended when the need for fuel was already declining. The techniques from in inflating inflation and the constant precipitation of Franz Johann Emil and the Fischer, which changed to the support after a personal demonstration of the process made the slow, and the Bergius sold his patent to the BASF where the Colbos worked on it. Before the World War II, several plants were built with an annual capacity 4 million tons of the synthetic fuel, and these plants where the exist are use urines of the coal later in a synthetic gasoline plant from WW11 IG Fairbairn Industries Police Pollard. The Bergius process was extensively used in the Brabant, a central frame of the Nazi Germany. The plants that used the process were targeted for the bombing during the oil and the campaign of World War II. At present, there are no plants and operating in the Bergius, and the process of It is an comparably the largest, and it is a demonstration plant was the 200 ton per day plant at the Bottrop, and German operated by the Rukwe, and which the compressed, and it is an operation in 1993. There are reports of the Chinese companies, and there of the 400 million. See also synthetic liquid fuels program. Next one, design French feature Trofen, and the process cracking process coal, water, sulfur, and the fuel. Next one, last one is reference. The Belgians and the French, May 21, 1932. Chemical reaction under the high pressure of the PDF Nobel, and the foundation of the retired and 2009 1 to 23. Takio Kankyo, and the Frank, and the Derbio, and the Ichio, and the Mankyo, and the David Gray, and the Maskio, and the Tamro, and Kanjio, and coil and liquefaction in the humans and employed and industrial chemistry to the 2012, while BCH dual 10.1002 by 1435607 into A07 dash of 197 PUBG 2. The Dixua Garcia and the French branches on the registered to the 91110 Strange and Thoy in 1984 French with and branches, and raised the of the German and the synthetic fuel and the industries ICS, the history of the science and the society 75 4 643 minus of 677 667 doing 10.1086 353 647. Thank you.